welcome to Prudent News. First, a look at the headlines. Home Ministry starts fitness tests of all police department personnel. Unfit officials will be sent to training school. Still unfit to be referred to GMC. Ayaz Sayyed kidnappers get lifer. Court pronounces judgment after 5 years in famous Kapderam shootout and kidnapping case. One-month-old child kidnapped from Madgaon. 2 men on black motorcycle abducted the child. No trace of kidnappers till late evening on Monday. Kalangut police arrest one lady pimp, rescued 2 girls forced into a sex racket. Girls sent to protective home. And over 50 windsurfers from all over India to compete in National Windsurfing Championship. Championship to be held from 21st to 26th May. And now the news in detail. The message for the Home Ministry to the police is very clear. Stay fit or be ready to go back to the training school. The department has started conducting physical proficiency test of police personnel from Monday. This test will be held for officers up to the IPS level. Henceforth, police officials will have to keep their weight and health under control and in check. Otherwise, they will have to go 3 months training. The department has made a provision to admit unfit police personnel in GMC who fail in the physical proficiency test.
Bulging stomachs, drooping physics, low spirit. This will not be tolerated henceforth in Goa Police. Department has started physical proficiency test for police personnel. This test will be mandatory even for IPS level senior officers. Test will have 40 points. Police achieving 23 points will be considered as satisfactory, while the ones who secure 32 or more will be given higher grades. This physical proficiency test has begun from this year and it will be an annual affair. From next year onwards, this test will be held in February-March. This is the point structure for physical proficiency test. Test for 18 to 30 age group. High jump of 350 to 400 meters. 15 to 25 push-ups. 4 to 12 chin-ups. Completing run-up of 1 mile within 6.30 to 7.30 minutes. For 30 to 40 age group, 300 to 350 meters high jump, 8 to 15 push-ups, 2 to 6 chin-ups, completing 1 mile run-up within 7 to 8 minutes. For 40 to 50 age group, walking 1 mile within 16 to 18 minutes, 8 to 12 push-ups or sit-ups. For 50 to 60 age group, walking of 1 mile within 80 to 20 minutes. Now, department will prescribe weight counts for policemen based on their height and such list will be displayed at every police station. The criteria and counts under physical proficiency test will be different for women personnel. Department has informed the policemen through a circular to maintain their weight according to their heights. If weight of a policeman is found to be exceeding by 20% compared to his height, then that cop will have to face medical test. If the weight is found to be exceeding the limits, then such policemen will be sent to Varpai Police Training Center for 3 months. Doctors will examine weight of policemen at Varpai Training Center every week. In case of no improvement at PTS Varpai, the policemen will be sent to GMC for treatment. A senior reporter Laukik Shilkar for Prudent.
South Goa Sessions Court has convicted 3 accused in Kapderam kidnapping and firing case. Srinivas Venkat Gurumkonda, Mohammad Inder Ali and Suraj Kumar had kidnapped one Ayaz Sayyed from Vasco on 23rd July 2009 and had taken him to Kapderam jungles for hiding. Ransom of 15 lakh rupees was demanded by the kidnappers. Accused are now sentenced to life imprisonment and fine of 10,000 rupees each. Court has also ordered that 24,000 rupees be paid to Ayaz Sayyed from the fine charged to the accused.
It was 23rd July 2009. Ayaz Sayyed, a young lad from Vasco, was kidnapped put in a Maruti van and was later taken to Kabdi Ram jungle. 3 accused Srinivas Venkat Gurumkondu, Mohammad Indar Ali and Suraj Kumar Jha took shelter of the dark and thick jungle at Kabdi Ram along with the bait. Accused demanded ransom of 15 lakh rupees from the family of Ayaz. Accused also fired gunshots at the police on duty when they spotted the accused in a van behaving in suspicious manner. Police along with the locals launched a combing operation and traced the accused through the mobile of victim Ayaz Sayed. All 3 were arrested after a long search operation. Now, court has pronounced life imprisonment and fine of 10,000 rupees for all the 3 kidnappers.
Suraj Kumar Jha, they kidnapped one Ayaz Sayed from Chikli on 29th July 2009 at 8:30 p.m. He was taken to Kabdaram Khola. This accused persons also attempted to shoot, attempted open firing against this police personnel. These accused persons are previous convict. 2 of the accused persons are previous convict, and again they are also involved in one murder case under section 302 for murdering the taxi driver and throwing his body in the jungle of Meta Strip at Verna.
Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
A 1-month-old child was kidnapped from Madgaon in the wee hours of Monday. His father, Shankar Pawar, informed police that 2 well-built men kidnapped his son when they were in front of SGPDA market. Both the men had come on a black motorcycle. Police had not traced the culprits till late evening on Monday. Father of the 1-month-old boy, Shankar Pawar, has complained to the Goa police that his son was kidnapped at 5:30 in the morning on Monday. He says 2 men arrived on a black Pulsar motorcycle and kidnapped his son, Datta Pawar. Police have informed that the child is just 1 month old. His height is about 1 feet. Complexion is fair, face is round. He is dressed in a pink color sleeveless t-shirt. He has a black mark on right side of back just above the waist. Till late evening on Monday, police were unable to trace the child and the culprits. Reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.